Well, hello. Today we're going to check out the since '68 muscle car 4-car pack. This is one of two, and these came out for the 40th anniversary of Hot Wheels. Check that out, the little emblem on those. Probably a lot of you remember. This is a tin in this pack. It's all shrink wrapped. So I'm not going to open this yet. We'll check out the cars inside. It's a 4-car set. You get the '67 Chevy Camaro Convertible. It's really nice light blue. Got a white interior with blue inserts. A little white stripe on the side. Very classic. And your basic wheeled red lines, kind of the reproduction style, or the new style. Alright, number 2 down the line here, 70 Plymouth Roadrunner. In orange, got a white stripe on the side, white stripe on the hood, white top, white interior. Looks like it's a pure white interior. Very nice. Also has the basic wheeled red lines, and it's got a GTX, or actually it says Roadrunner right on the side there, but I said GTX for some reason, I don't know why. Next one down is the SS Express. It says the 5-spoke red lines. You got your chrome exposed engine. This is a 70 Chevelle. It's got racing stripes on the roof and the trunk. I know it's tough to tell through the plastic. I can't really tell. I think it's got painted taillights. It's hard to tell. The other ones don't seem to have any painted taillights. Well, maybe that one does have painted taillights. I know the grille is painted black. This one I don't, can't see the detail. I guess it pays to rip some of these out of the package, huh? You know, reflection from my TV. Alright, and the fourth one, '67 Pontiac Gto Convertible. It's done with good taste. Has some minor striping on the side. It's got no hood stripes. Black interior. It's a pure black interior. It also has the 5-spoke red lines on it. No detail on the front for the headlights. It's hard to see. It's probably just painted. I think I see chrome bezels on the taillights. Maybe it may be red. Not so sure. But the front doesn't have much detail on it. But that's a pretty cool 4-pack for the since 1968 4-car set. And I don't remember what the second set had in it. I have seen them before and I don't remember. Wasn't too impressed with this set, so I bought 2. Well, that's alright. I like the Camaro in this one. That's the main reason why I bought 2 sets. Mainly for the Camaro. The other cars are nice, but I guess that's Express. Kind of a bland charcoal-y color. Not too big on that color. Kind of like blue with white stripes, or red with black stripes. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.